Bufond is one of the earliest global players to understand the widespread implications of COVID-19 pandemic, as we are already in the pharma sector and it has already rocked the trade globally. We have taken very corrective and innovative solutions to create a sustainable business environment with a strong, competent and professional board of directors which are having expertise in the multi-industry verticals. And we have already adapted a strong digital route as well to connect with our customers and our employees. The revenue of the Bufond despite the COVID-19 pandemic has shown a very upward growth. Our results are clearly seen in our earlier balance sheets also. And the 2020 annual report is going to be made public soon. See, it is our vision to be a global leader in providing innovative solutions. We already have a very dedicated team continuously develop our intellectual property portfolio and have more than double the number of patents over the last few years. And our pharmaceutical business, which is the major chunk, it is already showing a very tremendous growth. And the sectors in the IT and the telecom, they are also growing. But there are few stagnant verticals like the perfume metals and the general merchandising which are at the stagnant. But we are very hopeful that it will come on the track very soon. Worldwide, the capital market operations, the company milestones are being disrupted worldwide. So with the moment restrictions in place in many economies, firms are facing practical constraints. They may not be able to convene either the board meetings or the general meetings, which is very essential to run the company. Because they have to pass the key resolutions, approve the finances and meeting the government filing requirements. Bufond management are aware that the COVID-19 will change the way the business are run and fundamentally it will alter the management practices also. See, COVID-19 is on its way to create what will perhaps be the most serious global economic crisis in a century since the last Great Depression that began in May 1929. It almost lasted a decade. COVID-19 will profoundly change the business are run, and in fact if the history is any guide, the Great Depression did just that. The social distancing as a new norm, remote and distributed agile new ways of working. We have to strengthen our digital capabilities. We have to make the business simple, more efficient process, and the governance at which as a distance have become very real eminent challenges. Bufond is well connected with its clients digitally and smooth operations of our products, reaching to our customer, creating a very strong logistic management. Bufond business models are very robust. See, it is already very robust and we were already future ready. All our processes are in place to address the changing business environment. Our objectives has always been to accept the logical and rational requirements of our customers. We are very passionate about building a world-class company with great product ranges. Research and development is a key to our business operations. Our senior management team are in constant consultations to bring a very sustainable business culture. Bufond being a multi-billion-dollar company with operations in more than 22 countries worldwide. A careful look at the COVID-19 pandemic is set to pose a very daunting task, as several business will get hugely impacted by the crisis, forcing the leaders to make tough decisions. At Bufond, we are engaging with both our internal and external stakeholders to have very candid discussions with the employees to navigate through the tough times.